Welcome, we're going on a bike ride to a motorbike show. Let's go. Here we are, and this place is called the Original Ball, which is a bit of an odd name, just outside of Oswestry in Shropshire. But let's go and take a look, let's see what we can see and if we can find Pops. Bikes here, look. Nice. It's another little Suzuki 100 there. Lovely condition, that one. Everyone's got to love an RD, look at that. Lovely bike.
Put a bit more oil in. I didn't know nothing about wind. I don't think anymore, Gary.
I do believe I found Pops. Pops!
Oh my god!
You doing alright? 39 years!
Oh, I guess I hope, mate.
Right, well, at the bike show, I have found Neil, Pops, the old friend. So we've known each other since, crikey, how many years?
30.
Yeah,
30 odd years.
exactly, 30 odd years since we've seen each other. Last time we saw each other, we were both skinny rakes, and we were drinking in his garage.
Carlsberg Special Brew.
Yeah, special brew. And riding, he had a Fizzy FS1E.
No, they had an SS50.
Oh, an SS50, sorry, yeah, that's right. And I had, well, you want to talk about what I had, but anyway, so there, he was the cool kid at school.
The
He was.
ZR50 SL Custom.
Yeah, that's it, with a big fat tyre on the back.
Tiny.
Yeah. So yeah. So anyway, I'm going to catch up with Neil, and then we'll find our way home. Catch you in a bit.
See you later.
Right, let's make our way back. That was a great few hours there. Brilliant to catch up with Pops. And I'm gonna have a slow ride back through the country lanes, frightening all the horses, covering all the runners and the cyclists with two-stroke smoke, which is always fun. Here we are. There she is, calmly waiting. Right, so let's get back and couple this video together. Just stopped off for a quick 5-minute look around. Today is absolutely gorgeous weather, and scenery is lovely around all these back lanes. Great fun. I'll show you in the distance there. That's called Nestcliff. Camped on there before. And look at the scenery, stunning. And the bike's behaving itself, going well. The handy thing is, I've broken yet another left counter cable. That's 2 there. Obviously can't keep up with the speed. It might have been when I had a quick blast over 60 mile an hour. Might have done something anyway. So new speedo cable. I have rerouted it so it was a less of a sharp sort of bend in it, so it's a bit smoother. But nope, didn't want to know. So back to good old Flea Bay and see what we can dig up there. Right, let's get home, have a drink. Guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. We've got a camping trip planned in a couple of weeks time, so fingers crossed the weather's going to be nice for that one. But that's going to be a good weekend trip. Can't think of anything else. Right, catch you guys later.